We're here today for the dawning of a great new day for Jared. Before now, he's just been a lowly console peon, sucking at the teat of Sony and Microsoft, hoping for good graphics. Today, he joins the personal computer revolution, started by Bill Gates in 1976 at his DOS operating system. The classic level and hammer symbol will guide us on our journey today. Jared, what do you have to say for yourself?
Long live the new flesh.
First component we're starting with is the power supply. This is an EVGA 500B Big Daddy power.
Big Johnson power here.
Big Johnson power. This power supply proves that you have a penis to match the size of your case. Ah! Show me that succulent supply.
Nice, dude. It came with a book.
It comes with its own novel. The novelization of the hit power supply 500B. Coming to theaters soon.
Oh my god. What can I do?
It's a lot of cable.
Ooh,
You're laying cable like a champ in this case.
That's right. You have to call me Mr. Xfinity. Mr. Triple Xfinity.
Alright, we're here today. As you can see, the power supply has been installed successfully. Now we've got the motherboard B150 Gaming M3 by MSI. Enthusiast Gaming.
Rated #1 trophies. Enthusiast Gaming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-star rating.
7-star rating out of 10, actually. It's unfortunate that I don't know if I'd print that on the box, but...
See, I picked this one because I really like tribal dragons.
Very cool. Oh my gosh, so cool.
So tribal.
Gaming me.
It feels so primal holding this. Gaming land. Audio Boost 3, dude.
It's honestly like almost like psychosexual. That board, I would say, like cybersexual.
Oh yeah.
Do you foresee this motherboard helping enhance your cyber?
Yes. I definitely think of my cyber, my nuclear, all being enhanced tenfold with this.
Amazing.
Cables, probably throw those away.
Don't need those.
A gaming badge, so they know you're part of the cyber.
Oh my gosh, is that for like?
It's for cyber police.
Where do you put that? Do you put it on like the hood of your car?
No, I'll show you. There we go, and then you peel it off. Your part.
Oh, and you just wear it. It's like you're a sheriff for MSI.
Got one more thing here.
I think I know what this is, and I think it's very embarrassing. Is it very embarrassing?
Well, it's going on my front door. So you got one of these things that you get at a hotel.
Okay. Little door hanger.
Put on this sign that says, "Hey, I'm not here."
All right, that's fine. That's a weird thing to get from a motherboard. That's okay.
It says gaming motherboard, which makes no sense.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Busy gaming. Can't wait till I'm busy gaming.
Last time I built a case, I was in middle school, and in my middle school time of like early 2000s, you would put the motherboard into the case, then you would put the processor on. Jared says no. He says, this is a new paradigm for gaming. I'm putting the processor into the motherboard before I put the motherboard into the case.
We're going to disrupt the PC gaming industry.
So right now we're looking at they unlocked this, which is nice.
Yeah, so I can use it with any phone contract.
Intel Core i5, i5-6600K LGA 1151. Love that. And the important thing here for gaming is that it includes Intel HD graphics 530. So that's really going to give him the frames and the hertz that he needs to get his Giga on and really improve his cyber. Wow, that was easy.
Alright guys, so next we have some RAM.
We're going to insert the
overdraw
RAM
at the memory bank.
Let's see how it goes.
Ohio gozaimasu!
I'm going to leave it in raw. People need to know what the true PC experience is like. Never has someone's head sounded more just like a bag of snot than yours today.
Let's clean up our work area.
Gonna put a big old fan on top of this processing unit.
Time to get clean. Money shot.
Whoa! Now that's a cooler. That's a cooler master. Cool as ice. Crypto, Cryo Hyper 212 Evo, 4 direct contact heat pipes.
Right. Get a shot of my shoes right here. Or my
See the
socks.
scale of foot to box, just to give you guys a good scale. Whoa, buddy, we did it now.
Super easy. That's like the
freaking heat sink. What the heck? Oh, beautiful stuff. Beautiful work.
You heard a washboard?
Yeah, just like my. Washboard scrotum. We put the motherboard in the case. Graphics.
No.
Name of the game.
It's a video card, not a graphics card anymore.
This is for video only. No graphics though. All text only video. GTX 1060. Oh yeah, it's like a little half card.
Got a half chip going on here.
We're gonna install this now. Whoa! Well, we did it. It was hard work, but it got done.
Toshiba.
This is your master drive. Well, no, this is actually his slave drive.
Let's check it out. Dang, looks like a life raft here. Oh, I like this.
It's an actual noise it's making, hydraulic noise. Freed it from its cryo cell. Yep, that's a hard drive. Wow.
You know, I got a solid state going on right now.
So we got all the parts put into the PC case, but we don't have all the power cables plugged in yet. And we were gonna go eat, and Jared needed to run to the bank in this mire, and he parked in the fire lane like a scumbag. Look, there he is. He's coming out now. He made me sit here in the fire lane while he went in. Here we are. We think we have wired the power correctly. You can tell this is a very Jared system. No cables are organized. Nothing is as it seems.
We're just gonna leave it like this. Actually, just gonna like
Case open. Exposed power cables. It's all here.
sweet anchor for the fan here, CPU fan.
Yeah. So we're gonna see if it works.
Whoa! Look at this! Look at this! I'll probably just turn this on.
Oh my God! It's working.
Oh
Now.
my God!
To install Windows so we can actually do something with it.
Hey, don't show my windows. They're gonna get my serial number off
We're
there.
gonna hack your keys, man. Can't believe it's working. It's running quietly. It's staying on. It's amazing. Windows is installing. We're actually, at least I am kind of surprised at how well this is going. Well, after several hours, approximately 5 hours of build time and driver updates, Jared can now play his dream game.
Mm-hmm.
It's looking great.
Oh, great. Check this out. This is great movement right here.
The graphics are killer. Well, $1,000 well spent.